Hi everyone, this is CQ Reviews. Just wanted to showcase now a new styling kit that is now available on the 2019 Volvo XC40. Just wanted to show you what that looks like. The first piece of that styling kit is a different front diffuser. You see that it has a sort of brushed finish that we have there. I'm trying to see if I can get the picture of that. There it is. Versus the normal Momentum style front end that just has that kind of silver finish going across the front. See the difference there between the two cars. I'll back it up a little bit so you can see that visual. It's a lot more dramatic between the two vehicles, that's for sure. I do like that. And then on the side, that brushed sort of metal continues. And I'll just kind of come around this way so you can see it a little bit better. So we have this sort of spoiler, this lip spoiler that runs along the edge of the vehicle. And so again, I'll show you what that looks like on the other car, where it's just that sort of matte plastic finish there, and then you see on this side that brushed metal that follows all the way through. Beautiful, beautiful look. It looks like it has a texture you can feel, but it's not. And then show you what it looks like on the back. Again, we have that sort of brushed metal, but in this case it has a really, really aggressive look. That quad tip style exhaust that you see there on the back. And then we look on this side. For the Momentums, you do get a exhaustless, so it's just a downward facing exhaust in the back here, versus this one where you have the exposed exhaust. Now that is a fake exhaust. The tips are in there, but they're not actually attached to the actual exhaust. You can see it right there, there's a pipe. So this is just a body tip instead of it being a real exhaust tip. But just wanted to make sure to showcase this to you guys. This is something that's fairly new. You're going to start seeing it on a couple different XC40s, but this was the first one that I'd seen here at the dealership, and we're at Gunther Volvo in sunny Coconut Creek. They were able to let me kind of borrow this car just to kind of take a look at it really quick. They pulled it up for me. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like it. Like this video if you do like it, and ask any other questions that you might have. You might start seeing this if you're out there looking for a new XC40. This might be the styling kit to just have yours stand out a little bit more. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again next time.